In today's video, I'm going to teach you how can I see my team's productivity on Google Suite 2026. We'll walk through a practical workflow across Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Meet, and Tasks and Keep, so you can organize work, collaborate efficiently, and make progress visible without extra tools. Start with Gmail by organizing the inbox so messages don't become blockers. Create clear labels like clients, finance, content, or urgent, and use filters to automatically sort incoming emails into those labels. Star messages that require follow-up so they're easy to find during daily reviews. Templates are a huge time saver for repeated replies, keeping responses fast and consistent across the team. Instead of deleting messages, archive them to keep your inbox clean while preserving a searchable record. For a smoother experience, turn on Undo Send and enable keyboard shortcuts in Settings. Both help prevent mistakes and speed up triage. Next, make your time visible in Google Calendar. Create separate calendars for teamwork, personal, or content to keep boundaries clear, and assign distinct colors so everyone can quickly scan availability. Add recurring tasks for routine workflows and set reminders, whether 10 minutes or an hour before, to reduce last-minute rushes. Use focus time blocks to protect deep work and encourage the team to do the same. Time blocking your day beats a long to-do list by turning priorities into actual calendar commitments. In Google Drive, build a simple shared structure. Create main folders such as clients, marketing, admin, and finance, and use consistent file naming so searches return exactly what you expect. Share folders instead of individual files to reduce permission sprawl and set roles carefully. Viewer, commenter, or editor, so access is clear. For teams, shared drives keep ownership centralized and prevent files from disappearing when people change roles. Collaborate in Google Docs with templates for proposals, reports, and standard operating procedures. Use comments and suggesting mode to capture feedback without overwriting work. Add headings to power the document outline for quick navigation, and insert checklists to track decisions and next steps. This setup is perfect for SOP creation, blog writing, contracts, and meeting notes. Track outcomes in Google Sheets. Create trackers for content, expenses, or leads, and use basic formulas like sum, IF, and count to surface totals and simple logic. Add filters